Yes, I Rastafari. Next engine putting it together here. I got my science teacher actually working on this engine for me here. Here he is, the science teacher. Introduce yourself, science teacher.
I'm just reggae motor builder. That's it.
Yep, seasoned veteran of building engines. And that was the science teacher right there. This engine have direct intake. And I'm gonna put the 12 tooth sprocket in there. Let's see, we got the 12 and the 210 next to each other.
I probably put them on top.
Direct intake.
I looked up there. I didn't see him.
And I got the science teacher working on this. As you were, people.